$48,000 a year. $0 in an emergency fund. The emergency isn't the problem. The reflex is. By the end of this, the exact sequence that keeps $1,500 from becoming $1,700 of debt. Hold that number. My transmission died with $40 in checking. The card felt like the only option. It wasn't. I just didn't know the real one yet. Call it the reflex debt, reaching for a card before the math ever runs. $185. That's what financing this $1,500 emergency actually costs. Not the repair, the interest. 12 months at 22% turns $1,500 into $1,685. Same emergency, different price. A financed emergency isn't one cost, it's two. The repair, then 12 months of interest on top, whether or not you had a choice. With $0 saved, $1,500 emergency costs $1,685 total. With a $500 buffer, you finance $1,000 instead, $1,123 total. Same emergency, $62 saved just from having something. Step 1. Open a separate savings account today, one you never touch except for a real emergency. Step 2. Target $500 first, not 3 months of expenses. Federal Reserve survey data shows a gap near this size is exactly where many households turn to debt. Close it first. Step 3. This feels backwards. Use the buffer completely before the card. That's what it's for. Step 4. Refill it automatically the moment it's used. A buffer that isn't rebuilt is just a delay, not a fix. Watching that buffer hit 0 feels like starting over. It isn't. You paid $62 less than the version with no buffer at all. You are not behind. You are one $500 deposit from never financing a crisis again. Drop your number in the comments. I read every one.